KOVAI Classic Industries make mulcher machine. Mulching is a land clearing method that uses a single machine to cut, grind, and clear vegetation. In our machine, rear roller with height adjustments is used to ensure uniform and compact mulching layer. It is highly compatible to shred vineyards and orchard prune materials, grass bushes, crop residues like sugarcane trashes, wheat and paddy straw, maize stalk as thick as 5 centimeters in diameter. Strong and reliable machine. Rear bonnet can be opened for maintenance. Heavy-duty structure and high cutting chamber allow an excess residues to discard for chopping at very high speed 10 km per hour. Free-moving gearbox ensure safety of tractor at the time of sudden switch-off. Electronic balance rotor ensure vibration-free working of mulcher to minimize maintenance. Standard input RPM 540. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net.